How to use ConnectPaye. ConnectPaye is completely free to use and accessible on the web at www.connectpaye.com or as a lightweight app on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So in order to use ConnectPaye, step 1, search for ConnectPaye on Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Download and install the app. It only occupies about 40 megabytes on your device. Note that the right ConnectPaye is the one that ends with an E. Step 2, open the app on your device, and for new users, click on sign up to go to the registration page to register your account. Once you're on the registration page, select email as your registration type and type your valid email address. Double check the email address you've typed for any error and click on the sign up button. Make sure that this email address is valid and you have access to it, because an OTP code from ConnectPaye will be sent to it for you to copy and verify your account before proceeding to the next step, which is step 3. Without closing the ConnectPaye app, go and open the email address you used for the registration in order to get your OTP code. You will see an email sent from ConnectPaye. Open the email and copy the 6-digit OTP code. Go back to the OTP verification page, paste the code, and click on the button to verify your email. If you do not see the email in your mailbox, check your spam or junk box for the email, and make sure to also click on the report not spam button to ensure that subsequent emails from ConnectPaye should not be going to your spam. This step is very critical to ensure that all your transaction notifications from ConnectPaye land directly into your inbox and not your spam box, so you don't miss out on any transaction. Step 4. On the next page, fill in your correct information in the form below to complete the registration process and get access to your dashboard. Note that your password must be 8 characters or more and a combination of lower and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Quick tip: ensure to screenshot, write, or memorize it well, because you will not be able to log into your account if you forget this password. Never share your password with anyone, not even a staff of ConnectPaye, to ensure your account is secure and protected. After filling the form, make sure to click on the red square box below to accept our terms and conditions before clicking on continue. You may also click on the terms and conditions to read carefully and understand before proceeding. Step 5. Once on your dashboard, you need to set up a few things to get your account fully ready.